Guys, this is Pavanya and I welcome you all towards our YouTube channel. So guys, before starting with the preparation of today's Hindu analysis on important topics which is necessary for your CUET entrance test as well as for your interview, I would like to start with a fresh beautiful quote that is, nothing is impossible. The word itself says I am possible, written by Audrey Hepburn. The main essence of me introducing this beautiful quote for you guys is that most of you might be thinking in this journey of your preparation that it might be impossible for you to complete your targets or complete your current affairs preparation or in terms of your interview. Most of you might be reluctant as well as most of you might be facing the fear which is lying inside core inside you. But trust yourself. If you believe yourself, tomorrow the world will believe you. That's a natural reality. Believe yourself and start with your preparation. If you have not started still now, totally fine. Start working from this present moment. The more importance you start from now, the much better you become. Have more mock, it can be through interview, and I suggest you not to go for any kind of coaching institutions or go for any kind of paid sources. Go through all the free sources whichever is available and do as much as mock interview. You can have it with your cousins, your friends, or any kind of people. Practice in front of the mirror. It can boost your immunity, and there's nothing called as impossible. It's just called as possible. So if you start from now on, it can surely help you out, and it'll be just the best. It'll help you to bring the best version out of you to overcome any kind of crisis if you just believe yourself. So from this beautiful quote, I would like to start today's important current affairs of Hindu newspaper. So guys, as we are starting with the Hindu newspaper, important notes for your preparation for your entrance as well as for interview. Make sure that whenever I'm going to introduce this topic towards you, parallelly refer to the Hindu paper. It is very important for you to have a balanced understanding of the clear concepts which have been mentioned over here. See, I've just introduced important questions, but you yourself should find the answer in the Hindu newspaper. Plus, the main reason for me to giving you this particular task is that once you go through Hindu paper, even your comprehending understanding skill also increases. As you all know, most of the courses for your entrance test, you have English particular section in which they're going to ask you a comprehension based question that's going to be there for sure, 100% for every course respective. So they're going to give you a comprehension and they're going to give you a set of questions and then you're supposed to answer. In such cases, you must be having your analytical as well as understanding skills. So comprehension reading skills is very important. So while you're reading this paper, right, it will basically give you an immunity of understanding on how to solve particular kind of questions. So kindly have a balanced reading with the Hindu paper. That's very important. So as being said that, now let's look upon today's important hot trending topics of today's news. COVID-19 vaccine registration process on the CoWIN portal began today, allowing the general public to register for the vaccination drive. Yes, COVID-19 vaccination registration process has been started. It was started long back, but presently it has been open in a portal. The portal name is CoWIN portal. Just remember this name because they can ask you for your entrance. It is quite important name. So just name it for your entrance. Mostly they'll be asking, not for your interview, nor for your micro presentation. You won't be getting any questions on this perspective. But yesterday I mentioned very clearly, study about COVID-19, economic impact, or as well as the business forces, how it has been impacted. All direction, kindly study in that aspect. Yesterday's current affairs, you can find it in my channel. So if you have not referred to that, kindly just have an analysis of it. So if you have not started your current affairs preparation for your interview, at least start from the day 1 of March till the date of your interview. This is more than enough for your interview perspective. But in terms of your general knowledge, that's for your current affairs portion. For example, for your entrance portion, it is very important you go a little more months ahead. For example, November, September of previous years. Make sure that you start your preparation from there for your entrance. That's very important. Plus, it can also give you a huge amount of insights for an interview. Plus, I'm not saying that completely neglect the before portions, but be well aware. So even in this present news, no, I'm making sure that I refer to the previous important articles or previous important news which is happening, and I'm putting out in my video. So make sure that you also guys become well aware about it. So now the second important question which you can find it out is from the editorial page 6. So I suggest you to read out this article that's about the vital but delicate task of reviving the Iran deal. So this is a beautiful article in which focus mainly on JCPOA, that is Joint Comprehension Plan of Action. This question they can mainly ask you because in terms of your micro presentation you can expect it, as well as for your interview they can ask what exactly is this JCPOA. So in terms of your preparation, know about the history, why, what was the main intention, and what was the purpose of introducing the JCPOA. Study what are the countries part of it, which government bought it. It's like US, Barack Obama. Obama government has basically introduced it. Now, second perspective which you're supposed to notice, Trump administration, why did he withdraw from this particular kind of JCPOA? Now, presently, what are the consequences of not focusing on Iran? Just study even the consequences. And why does presently wants to return to the JCPOA? Why does United States want to presently return to the JCPOA? It is very important. Just understand the reason. And what is your view? In interview they can ask. They can ask you basically in JCPOA, what is your view? Iran, US joining back. Or they can also ask you what are the drawbacks in which why US President Trump has basically withdrawn from JCPOA, Joint Comprehension Plan of Action. It's one of the important editorial from page 6. So in case if there is a few mismatch of the page number, because I'm getting the Kerala edition of the Hindu newspaper. For example, if you're getting Delhi edition, Bangalore edition, page number may here and there may change, but look at the editorial page. You can find out the heading over there and focus into this article. That's the vital but delicate task of reviving the Iran deal. Next important editorial, that's from page 6. Same page, the double quotation, I've mentioned the heading as the cold comfort. You can find that article there. Try learning more about FATF. What is FATF? That is Financial Action Task Force. Give more importance to what is grey list and black list. Plus, try to understand why Pakistan is still bound to be on FATF list. What is the main reason why Pakistan is still on the FATF list? Understand that. Particularly try to understand in a well versed manner. So just have a background research. In case if you're finding any kind of difficulty while reading Hindu paper, certain kind of keywords or something, just Google it immediately and then you will get a little more clear picture. The sixth important point which I'm asking you to refer is upon the editorial page 7. That is about an article name is An Unusual New Media Code. And in that article, it mainly focuses on Australia's new law targeting the Google and Facebook. So Australia's new rule, it is very important you guys study, because they can even ask for your micro presentation, how Australia's new rule on targeting Google and Facebook, how it is creating an impact, what are its benefits. So while you're studying, try to study from both the aspect, pros, cons, plus what can be an alternative solution. The author has basically given a good solution on how we can combat it instead of bringing this particular kind of rule. So this can also bring a balanced opinion for you. They can ask you what is your view regarding Australians new rule targeting on Facebook as well as on social media. So this is very important. You just have your own concrete view regarding it. So it's better have a both analysis of pros and cons. What is the implications, how the people are going to get benefited, what are its cons, and why the government should not do it, and what can be the alternative solution. So you can read out that article. And next important article which I'm asking you to refer is on page 7, that is master and the roster. So it's very important, especially for law students who are preparing for your entrance test as well as for your interview. You have to focus very deeply in this particular editorial, not asking other people not to refer it, just have an understanding about it. But law students, kindly give a little more importance towards it. Plus understand who is the present Chief Justice of India. They can ask you this normal questions for your entrance as well as for your interview. This is a trending good question which they even asked last year, who is the Chief Justice of India. Plus what is master of roster? That is a very important concept. Just have an analysis, read it properly on how the Chief Justice powers are lying, what are its powers because of master of roster. Try to understand it in a well defined manner. It's beautifully mentioned in an article. If you're not understanding it that clearly, certain keywords, searching in the Google, have a background understanding about it, at least 10 to 12 lines. If you're able to understand, that's more than enough. So guys, important micro presentation topics which I got it from today's newspaper, which finding it, reading it as certain key points was mentioned. I've just jotted down. That is CAA. Kindly study little more importance towards it, because it was a hot topic recently when the last year. NRC as well as Farmers Bill. So while you're studying CAA, NRC, Farmers Bill as well as WhatsApp new privacy policy, study about its pros, study its cons as well as your view. I'm repeating once again, while you're referring to three aspects, that is CAA, NRC, Farmers Bill, WhatsApp new privacy policy, study in three aspects, that is pros, cons and your view. Make sure that you have a prepared proper understanding as well as balanced preparation. So guys, that's all for today. And you can follow me on Instagram, that is pavan.ss. So if you have any doubt, you can get back to me. You can put it in the comment box, or else you can message me on Instagram. Instagram, most of the students were asking me. So if you be completely trust on yourself and start with your preparation, you guys are going to ace it, and I'm 100% sure. And if you have any doubt, kindly get back to me. And this is a beautiful initiative from our side, our club side, in which to help the students. So utilize it as much beneficially as possible. Thank you. Wish you a wonderful day. Goodbye.